What's up guys, welcome to ROM Review. Today we are going to look at installing a custom kernel for any ROM in any Android phone. Before getting started, do consider subscribing my channel and enable bell icon. Like and shares are always appreciated. So I'll be using my Poco F1 for this upgrade, which is already running with CorvusOS coupled with Silver Core kernel. I have already made a out of the box gaming test for this ROM, which you can find out in my channel. For installing a custom kernel, you need to have a Android phone with bootloader unlocked and a custom recovery installed. There are bunch of custom recovery available on the market, TWRP, Orange Fox, etc. You can consider any of these for your phone, but make sure that you are not using a stock recovery. Second thing you need to have is a custom kernel downloader inside your phone. I am here using Genos R16, which is a gaming kernel. I am adding download link for the same under my description. You guys can go ahead and try out with me. Once you downloaded the kernel, keep it in a folder inside your phone memory or SD card. Here I kept the kernel under my micro SD card inside downloads folder. Now let's quickly reboot your phone into recovery. I have enabled the advanced reboot menu, so I'll be proceeding with power off and start phone by holding power button plus volume up button to get into my recovery. I am already using a TWRP latest version provided by OOF Gang. You can download the TWRP for your phone from the description. Once your TWRP booted, select install and select storage. Here I'll be selecting my SD card. If you have stored your kernel in your internal memory, make sure you have selected the right path. So here I'll be selecting SD card and downloads folder. You will be able to see your downloaded kernel name. Here you will be able to see my kernel Genos R16 zip file. So select the kernel and select swipe to flash. Once progress is done without any error, select wipe Darvik cache. Swipe to wipe and reboot the system. Since I haven't rooted my device, I'm not installing TWRP as my system application, so selecting do not install. This will reboot your phone into the current ROM. Once phones boot up, let's quickly get into settings and check the kernel version. For that, go to settings and about phone and select your Android version and scroll down and confirm the kernel version which you have installed now. Here you will be able to see my kernel is already changed from the Silver Core previous one to latest Genos R16. So that's it for this video. I'll be making a gaming test and performance test for this combination. Hope this video helped you. We'll see you with another video. Bye bye and take care.